There is a beautiful quote today have I just read few hours before. As it's my habit, every day I used to give few hours in reading those topics which always make me feel very and I'm very enthusiastic about. That's related with the philosophy of life. That's related with investments and different strategies of investments. And this term investment, it always doesn't matter that it's always just limited with your monetary investment. Investment means whatever you are investing, that's you're investing your emotions, you're investing your time, you are investing your positive thoughts, you're investing your energy. Whatever you are investing in every sphere of life, you need to be very cautious about it, because your each and every aspect, whether in terms of your time, whether your emotion, whether your energy, everything is very, very precious, at least for you. So whatever you are investing in your life, in any aspect of your life, you need to be very cautious, and you need to be very particular about it. And before investing, it's very important for us to just do a little bit research that whatever we are investing and where we are investing, whether that investment is giving us a good return or not. Because loss making investments, it's foolishness. If you're investing continuously without knowing that whether this investment is going to give you profit, or whether this investment is going to make you in a bankruptcy situation after few years or after few months, then it's really, really foolishness of yourself. Because ultimately it's your life, ultimately it's your time, it's your energy, and it's your valuable asset, whatever you are putting. So there is a quote that we should definitely understand the difference between the price and value. Price is something what we are paying, and value is something what we are getting from that particular asset. So whatever you are paying, not in terms of money only, paying means whatever you are putting from. That price may be anything. That price may be your time, your energy, your positive vibes, or your thoughts, whatever it is, or your money, whatever it is. Whatever you are paying or you are investing in any asset or any person or in any relationship, you should always be very calculative that what you are getting from that particular aspect, what you are getting from that particular, if I'm talking about relationship, what you are getting from that relationship. If I'm talking about any investment option like fixed deposit, mutual funds, or stock market, if you are investing something, what you are getting in return of that, whatever you are getting in return of the price you are paying, that's called value. So many noises I hear. That's the problem whenever I record a video sitting at my balcony. So before investing, it's very important for you to understand what is the difference between price and value. Price is something you are paying from your side, and value is something what you are getting in return of that particular price. So before investing in any aspect of your life, not only monetary investment, investment of your emotions, investments of your thoughts and actions, investments of time, even investment in your child's growth, investment in your family, investment in your relatives, whatever investment you are making from your side to any aspect of life, you should be calculative, because from every investment we have different goals. From every investments we have different expectations. We have different needs. When we are investing, when we are doing monetary investment, purely monetary investment, different kind of strategies we are following. We are some of our money we used to put in fixed deposit, some of the money we used to put in savings bank account, some of it PPF, some of it NSC, some of it mutual funds, stocks, different modes of monetary investments we are choosing. So definitely we have different expectations also. While putting our money in fixed deposit, we can't expect a return of 15%, 20%. Because we know, because we have a clear understanding that that is going to give us a return of 5.5% or 6%. Similarly, if we are putting our money in we are putting our money in mutual fund, or we are directly purchasing stocks, we have different expectations. That's the way of, because we already have a clear understanding, clear knowledge about our investments. That's the way. When you are putting your emotions, when you are putting your time, you are putting your thoughts and actions in the relationships of your life. Every relationship have different expectation. If you are putting your time and energy to your children's growth, to your child's growth, you have a different expectation from your child. If you're putting some time and energy to your spouse or your husband, you have a different expectation. If the same thing you're putting that time and energy to your friends, you have a different expectations. Definitely in every aspect you are putting something from your side, and you have a different level of expectations. So what you are expecting, that is the value, what is going to be added in your life. So always we need to be very calculative about it, and we always need to understand that value should at least be equal to the price, or value should be greater than the price what you are paying, but value should not be less than the price you are putting in that particular asset or aspect. So if you are, if you go along with this calculation, it's needed to be calculative. It doesn't mean that you are selfish or you are very profit oriented person. To be calculative in this aspect means you are not going to make your life in a danger zone, because most of the cases we are very calculative about our monetary investments, but we are never calculative about the investments we are making in our relationships or different aspects of our life, in the case of the emotional or like that thing. And at the end of the day, we used to say that someone has, my friend has cheated with me, or someone has do something which make me feel very disappointment state. It means that you are not calculative. It means that there is something wrong in your calculation. While you are putting your time and energy in that particular friend or in that particular relation, whatever it is, you are not calculative that time. You are not looking at what you are getting from that particular relationship. That's because you are now in the state that where you lose so many time and so many energy and so many whatever this and that. So being calculative is not an offense, and it's not a standard of selfishness. It's only indicates that you are not foolish. It's only indicate that you take your life seriously. It's only indicate that you value yourself. So how much time and energy and calculations you are making before investing your money, that same time and energy you also need to make while you are investing your emotions and thoughts and actions in relationships of life, then you will never be in a loss making situation, at least. So I want to say that I love investments being a CA student or being a CA background, finance background, I love investment videos and anything like that. And I always believe that being calculative is very much important in every aspect of life. And always remember that price shouldn't be more than the value you are getting. At least value should be more than the price you are paying, or value should be equivalent at least to the price you are paying in any aspect of your life. Thank you so much. Be with me in this beautiful journey, and we will cover so many beautiful topics like this. Take care, all of you. Bye bye.